Please leave your answers in the comments below.
Are you sweating?
Yeah.
I can see your upper lip is getting
Really?
like, moist and shiny.
Wow. Hi, and thank you so much for tuning into Something from Josie, where you can discover how to make your relationship thrive. So today we'll be talking about admiration in your relationship, which is so important. Actually, I know it's happened to you and it's happened to me too. It's harder sometimes to be kinder to your spouse or partner than it is to a stranger. And that's because sometimes stress and life and responsibilities get in the way. So how do you go back to admiration? You have to be intentional. Actually, recollecting the good times gives you a glimmer of hope when you feel like your relationship is hopeless. According to John Gottman, 94% of couples that put a positive spin on their relationship's past and their spouse's character have a happy future. So intentionality is super important. Here is a good exercise for you actually. Answer these 3 questions. Number 1, discuss how you met. What was that first impression? Number 2, if you're married, what about the honeymoon? Talk about that joyful moment, the beautiful pictures if you have any, the videos. Go back and watch them together. And number 3, looking back, can you think of happy moments together, happy memories that you guys have created, whether it was trips or the birth of a child or family gatherings or game night, whatever it is. It could be big or small, but talk about those happy moments you guys have experienced and shared together. And now I want to hear from you. Once you answer these questions, I want to hear, how was that experience for you? Were you able to recollect the joyful moments? And if so, how was that? Please leave your answers in the comments below. I have also included in the description below a link where you can find exercises that are actually provided by John Gottman's Institute and the importance of intentionality. So please check it out. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you were blessed by this video, please make sure you subscribe so you can get more content like this. And if you'd like to bless somebody else, please share. And remember, in your imperfection, be kind. Transformation takes time.